preparing an aroma-filled pasta dish is as delightful as enjoying it with family and friends. While al dente pasta is a home chef's ambition, the time for the water to be at the right temperature can be a game of patience. However, not with Bertazzoni. Enjoy a winning combination of fast time to boil and best-in-class energy efficiency, thanks to an optimized flame to cookware space ratio. Bertazzoni engineers developed a signature power burner with a 2-rings flame design. By combining the 19,000 BTU output and a flame that only bridges a short distance to the cookware, the time to boil has been reduced to sub 6 minutes. At the same time, the precision valve controls allow for the most delicate simmering at 750 BTU. The monobloc design of Bertazzoni burners make them easy to clean, do not require any disassembling or tedious repositioning. The leading technology guarantees not only high performance but also the highest safety standards. Your and your family's safety come first. So our specially designed thermocouple stops gas from escaping unless the flame is on. Performance and design are always paired at their best to cook beautifully.